welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I want to decorate this little container that I bought at JoAnns last fall on a deep clearance. And I want to incorporate this container that I got at the same time on a very deep clearance. I didn't pay much for either one of these. So I thought you might enjoy seeing how I decorate it. Now you definitely could use Dollar Tree florals for this, but I've decided I wanted something a little different than what Dollar Tree had for this particular project, okay? So let me show you what you'll need. Now I have this just filled with pine cones, and my husband and I went and just picked some pine cones ourselves. So I mean, if you don't have pine cones that you can just go pick, you can always get some, or you could put a lot of different things in here, okay? So I'm just going to set that right on. Well, first what I'm going to do, let me show you. I'm so out of it. I think sitting in the floor has thrown me totally off. I'm a creature of habit. Oh, and these are my new second pair of glasses that I have, and I really do like them. They look very kind of natural, or they sort of blend in, okay? So let me show you everything I'm going to use to work on this. You've already seen these two items and my pine cones. Okay, now I've had these. These pumpkins came from Walmart, and they're so pretty. I love this gold with the different flecks on it, and then this just looks so cute. And then I have this one, like this. And this is a little taller one. So what I'm going to do is just pop this lid off and set this right down in there, like that. Because you know I'm pumpkin obsessed, totally obsessed, okay? And then all you need, I went to Hobby Lobby, and they were having a big sale on their florals, okay? And I've had these a while. These were either 40 or 50% off, and I don't remember which. But I picked these up. I just thought they were so beautiful. And then I picked these up. I just love them. And then I picked one bunch of this, and then one of these, okay? So let me go ahead and take the, oh, and then I have this 14-inch wreath. I think I may have got this at Michael's. It wasn't very much, or I could have got it at Walmart. So, and then I'll be using my lights that I hauled for you all from Sam's. It's one set of the lights, and it has all these different functions, okay? But I really do love these. So that's what we're going to be using, okay? So let me go ahead and cut my price tags off of my flowers, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have everything cut off. Okay, so like I showed you earlier, this is just has pine cones in it, and I'm going to set that right on there. I love how that looks. Now I'm going to take, I think I'm going to put this down in here, just sort of like that, and let it sit on the back. And it has these lights have a timer function. They're like, I think 6 hours on, so many hours off. So I like that. So really, I could just put this down in there, since they are on a timer, and then I won't have to worry about it. I just wanted to have it glowing. Okay, since we have our lights in, I'm going to take this wreath and just lay it on the top like that. Then I'm just going to take these florals that I got from Hobby Lobby and just start sticking them in there. I just want it to look like it's basically I want to turn these so that they're sort of fanning out. Now you wouldn't have to put that on there if you didn't want to. And I don't know, I may not want to now that I look at it. Let's look, let's do it and see what we think. See if we want to use it. But I just love how these just look like wildflowers. I just love how natural these are looking. I love that. It is such an easy little arrangement to do. And like I said, I do like that wreath around the top. You wouldn't have to have it, but I do like that. I think that is so pretty. And then I'm just going to add some pumpkins right here by my little pumpkin sign. And it is finished, but this is such a cute little idea and an adorable look. Now I'll take it down and let you see it closer in just a minute. Now like I said, you definitely could use Dollar Tree florals for this. It would be so pretty, but I wanted something that just looked like wildflowers and just so natural, and my Dollar Tree didn't have anything like that. So if you can catch Hobby Lobby, which they always have sales on their floral, I think it's like every other week, you can really make a pretty flower arrangement. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you what it looks like up close. Okay, here's what we have. I just really love the effect that this gave us. And I love those lights that I got from Sam's. And then that little pumpkin under there. Now you could add leaves around the pumpkin if you wanted, but I really do love that flower arrangement. It just looks so whimsical and just so like you're actually out in nature. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.